Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today I'll be learning how to update the YouTube Music app on your phone, and now let's dive right in. Now to update your YouTube Music app on your phone will be required to open the Play Store app, not the YouTube Music app itself. And after opening your Play Store app, guys, on this interface at the bottom right corner of the screen, you can see your source icon available for us. Tap on the source icon at the bottom right corner of the screen, and when you land over at the top of the screen, you can see the search bar over here. Tap on it and search for YT Music over here and search for it, and you can see the YT Music or the YouTube Music app over here. Open it, guys, and currently there is the open button available for us over here, but in case there required an update by the YouTube Music app, there would be the update app on instead of the open button, guys. In case your app requires an update, guys, on your case also there will be the update button instead of the open button. But if there's the open button just like mine, guys, our YouTube Music app is up to date and we don't require an update. That being said, guys, if there's the update button available, tap on the update button and your device's YouTube Music app will be updated momentarily. And with that being said, guys, this is how to update YouTube Music app on your phone. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.